Amani Boy, we have a lot of avocados. Now, I will teach you how to preserve this. Slice avocado in half. Slice in cubes like this. Put in a container and freeze. And now, we will make avocado smoothie. Here's what you need. Frozen avocado, honey, and coconut milk. Start na ta. Put all the ingredients on the blender. Great job! Okay, time to blend. Here is our smoothie! Dilawan na natin. May tamay kayo! Tamay kayo kung maghimo ba? Dapat ako inyo straw kay lisod suyupon. Nakaman na sinikon magsuyup ko. Thank you for watching. Love ka mo ba? Please like and subscribe. See you later. Mwah!